In this video, we're going to learn about how to calculate the differences between two cells in Excel. So, let's say that I have two expenditures reports per month, one from 2019 to 2020, and one from 2020 to 2021. And let's say I want to find the difference between these two. Yes, I want to find out how much money my company has saved relative to last year. Well, I click on the cell where I want my formula to go. In the formula bar, I enter equal. That's going to tell Excel that I want to build a formula. And then here, all I have to do is see which cell I want to go ahead and use first when I'm subtracting. So here, let's say I'm working with cell C2. I want to take cell C2, the expenses for this year's January, and I want to subtract the value of cell B2, which is now highlighted in red, the expenses for last year's January expenses. Okay, so when I go ahead and build that, and I press enter, Excel's actually been helpful here, and it's calculated everything else for me. Let me delete that. I'll show you how to get it again later. But here, all you've done is you've calculated the difference between your expenses in 2020-21 from 2019-2020 for the month of January. You can see here that expenses went down, so the difference is a negative drop. It's a drop of $110.67. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and calculate that exact same formula for every single other row here. All I have to do, you'll notice that the cell that I'm working with is highlighted with a small green box around it, and the bottom right of that box is a little square, a green square. If you click on that green square and you drag it down, you can see the green highlight selection expanding. If you drag that all the way down, Excel will take the same formula and apply it for every single one of the other rows. And using that, you can cut your work in half easily. You can go ahead and find the difference, how much money was saved. For example, in these months, I can tell that I saved money compared with the previous year. And in this month, I can tell that I lost money, etc., etc. And then at the very bottom, since we have the totals for both years, we can go ahead and find out how much money we saved in total compared with the previous year.